At ALine, we know your microfluidic application offers scientific and technological breakthroughs you want to take from concept to commercialization. But you can find your team chasing solutions that are incomplete because your application involves high levels of multidisciplinary complexity, including biology and physics, to engineering and manufacturing. We believe the world should not be deprived of breakthrough products because of interdisciplinary silos. We know you are under pressure to prove and launch your product quickly, so you cannot bear the burden of solving problems that have already been solved. For 2 decades, our integrated team of scientists, engineers, and manufacturers have refined our process of de-risking programs and accelerating the development and scale-up of the integrated microfluidic system. Request your ALine proposal now and keep your products out of that graveyard of wonderful technology that never made it to market.